it's Hillary with Lazy Lima DIY, my little crafty corner of the YouTubes. I'm making this quick video. It's kind of a haul video. There's a pretty good sale going on at Joann's right now. I got a little coupon that said, you know, my total purchase was going to be, my total regular price purchase was going to be 40% off with the coupon. So, you know, when you get that pretty much everything in the store is going to be on sale, and you're going to be wandering around with your little coupon going, I can't buy anything with my coupon because everything else is 20% off. That's the way they get ya. I also wanted to show some books that I got from the library. So this is a library haul as well. It's a twofer. Yay. As usual, I'll link to everything in the section below. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and away we go. The library is one of my favorite places. Seriously, I go almost every day. The library is really great for craft books, depending on your library, I guess, because one of my libraries is not that great, but the other two are excellent. And you can get new books, old books that are out of print. So if you want to do like a historical Edwardian costume or something, you can. It's easy to find a book. And even if they don't have it, you can look on their catalog and you can probably find it from somewhere and have it shipped and get to your library. So there's ways to get everything just about. So I had a few craft books that I just wanted to share because one of them just really like blew me away for how great it was, and it's not for the reason you think. So one of the first ones I'm going to do is Mini Skein Knits. It is by, well, it's by, I don't know. I guess it's a Lark Crafts publication. So it's probably by a lot of different project people. But the thing, I mean, I think the patterns were really cute because this is for using like leftovers and small skeins together. One of the projects that I'm looking forward to doing are these little mitts because I need another pair, and I thought those would be cute. But you can see there's some cute projects in here, from coasters to pillows, and it's got a lot of color work, which I always appreciate. So you can use like little bits. This is the cover piece here. So you can use your little, you know, scraps of yarn and come up with a nice project that doesn't look like you used scraps of yarn. So I liked this book. It retails for $14.95. I think that's appropriate for the projects that you get here. So I think that would be worth a purchase. The other knitting book I have is Essentially Feminine Knits. I don't know. I'm slightly put off by the title. I don't know why. I don't want to examine that right now. But it's 25 must-have chic designs. It retails for $24.95. There's two that I'm contemplating. And the reason I'm only contemplating is they give you suck-what pictures. I mean, you get this, and then you get like the back here in the mirror, and you can kind of tell, can you see? You can kind of tell there's some cabling going on back there. And then you get the whatever it's on the drawing there that tells you, oh, okay, it's a dolman sleeve sort of a thing. And then you get the back, but you don't really see like the full thing on her standing up, which is kind of what I need to decide whether I'm going to do a project. Oh. And then this one. And I think this one is kind of an appropriate picture because you know that the sleeve is sort of a, I don't know if it's necessarily called a set-in sleeve, but you know it's not going to be like a, you know, full sleeve. So this is called the Lily, and you get a nice picture of the back yoke there. Can you see that? Yes, yeah. Most of the projects you can kind of figure out like what the shape is. It's not really that difficult as I'm making it sound. But on those ones where you're not quite sure and you're knitting and you're like, I don't know where this sleeve attaches or what's going on in the back or what it should look like, it would be really helpful to have the full picture. So $24.95 doesn't seem worth it to me. I would probably recommend that you get that from the library and then use the pattern source on Ravelry to figure out what it actually looks like. This other one is, I believe, it's one of the Japanese pattern books. This one is called She Wears the Pants, which I took because the back has lots of pants here. And I thought, oh, it would be, you know, cool pants patterns. It's got a lot of other things other than pants. It's not really all that. There's knitting or stuff and lots of tops, weird suspender things. And the pants are not really like I have a full-time real kind of office job wearing things. So it's nice to see the patterns and to read through it. I've never tried one of these Japanese pattern books, but I have enjoyed looking at them and looking at the way they style the clothes. This would retail for $15.95 US. It's from Tuttle Publishing and it's by Yuko Takada. It's a cute book. Even for most of the library books, you usually get patterns that if they're included, but don't cut them out or anything because your library will charge you. So the one I really wanted to review is A Hot Glue Gun Mess by Mr. Kate. I just found this book so entertaining and so amusing. It is hysterical at times. It is a little queasy making at times. It's peppered with these stories from her life. Some of them will have childhood pictures. And then each story has a corresponding craft. So this story is The Kindergarten's on Fire, about her as a, I don't know, I think an 8th grader or so, by accidentally setting the woods on fire when some kid brought their grandfather's cigar to school. The craft that goes with that is burnt paper art. So I just really enjoyed it. I just sat down and read it cover to cover, and I honestly didn't even really care about the crafts. So I had to go through and look at the crafts, and almost everything she does is with a glue gun. Most of the projects will have, like, here's a chiffon rosette clutch, and she's like, well, you know, take it and do something else with it. You can put that chiffon on a sweater. So it's just fun hearing about her life. Funny stories, pretty DIY projects is the sub. And it's worth it just to read about her and Tiger Woods. So that was amusing. Yeah, so these are the books I got at the library, and I'm very pleased with getting them at the library. Oh, I didn't tell you Hot Glue Gun Mess. It retails for $20 US. Totally worth it. When I mention to people that I go to the library, there's some sort of look bemused. Are you library folk? I love the library. So go ahead, comment below and tell me all about your public library. So on to Joann's. We're going to talk about our Joann's thing. I'm going to try to look and give you the accurate prices here. So if you see me looking down, that's why I'm looking at the at the receipt. But like I said, everything was on sale pretty much. I had a very hard time finding things that weren't on sale so I could use my 40% off coupon. A lot of things on the actual regular product shelves were on clearance, not just in the clearance section, which now that I think about it, I didn't make it over to the clearance section. Guess I'll be going back tomorrow. But they had the colored ball jars. This one is, I guess, I don't know, a pint, for $1.97 in the blue. They had the 4 half pint in the blue for $5.97. I love these little dot, I don't know what they call them, dot stickers. I love these. And oh yeah, these were $4.97. So I thought that was a good deal. These are just packs of little mini bags. They were $2.99, and these were regular price. So this is what I got my 40% off coupon on. Also, I stocked up on glue dots. These are premium strength glue dots, and there's 300, I think, of them in there. Yeah, 300. And I was running low, so I needed things like that. That's what the coupon's really good for. Double stick tape, glue, you know, all that stuff. I also got a refill. I had bought this before, and I got the Crafter's tape refill. I got 2 of these. So I got my 40% off on these as well. I've been buying stickers lately. I don't know why, but these were percentage off already listed. The stickers were on sale, so I got those. I believe I got these for 40% off. They're pineapples and lemons in paper clips. I thought those were cute. These are vinyl. And I'm not even sure. I think they're sticky. I was trying to peel off the end of them in the store and I couldn't, but I liked the size and I liked that they're vinyl, and I think they would make really good book covers. So I got the floral one and I got the fauna one in green. They had a lot of other designs. They had glitter paper and yeah, a lot of fun stuff like that. So, my patterns is where I go nuts when they have $1.99 patterns. You're just like, I'm weak. So I bought this. This is a Gertie pattern. It's Butterick 6390, and it's this cute little jacket, like a little denim jacket. I bought this dress pattern, which is Butterick 6482. It's an average skill pattern, and I really like that it would lend itself to all different types of fabrics. And I also like that I could probably get a couple of different things out of this by just using the pattern. Because if you look at it, you could get, you know, a skirt just out of that, and I would like that fullness with a little bit of pleating in the front. But then you could also get like a peplum top. So I was thinking ahead. I was at least trying to do that. This I may have. I don't know. But, you know, for $1.99, it's a dolman dress, and I couldn't pass that up. And this is Butterick 6242. I also bought this one, Butterick 6486, for a cute summer top. Seems easy. I also wanted to do a more tailored pant, like a skinny leg pant, to see if I could get that to work with my body. So I bought this one. I think, is it a Marcy Tilton? No, it's a Catherine Tilton. Well, those Tilton sisters. This is 6327, and it looks fairly straightforward. So I think I can kind of play with the muslin and really get that to work, to figure out what it is that my body does to pants, because me and pants don't always get along. Butterick 6400, one of the historical patterns. And I thought maybe I could modernize this one. I wanted to have this back piece because I just really think that's cute. I also like this one. I could do without the bow, but I think these two are kind of fun, and I think it would be fun to have a jacket. Put these in the rotation and see what comes up, right? That is my double 2 for haul. I hope you enjoyed the video. I just want to thank you from the top, bottom, and the middle of my heart, my whole heart, for watching the video and for subscribing. If by chance you are not subscribed, I would like to invite you to subscribe by clicking the red button below. It's easy to find because it says subscribe on it. Thanks again for watching. Hope you have a great evening. Toodles.